Hey guys, so we're going Black Friday shopping. We're not too crazy people. It's like
an hour and 3 minutes wrong.
Yeah, an hour and 3 minutes. It's like 7:45 and we're going to a mall and we're gonna get some good deals.
I tried looking at it online for Black Friday deals. I didn't see any.
Dude, me
but
too.
I'm still gonna spend the same amount of money.
Yeah, that's true. There's probably gonna be no deals and we're just shopping. It's just an excuse to wake up early and shop, which doesn't really make sense.
We get a day off school.
Yeah, that makes sense. Shopping is like my workout after a whole day of eating. Look, this is Kira, by the way.
Hi.
Kira is the best Starbucks barista, and she brought... I know. Yeah, tip her extra. What?
God.
Oh my gosh, crazy Black Friday shoppers. And this is called the day after Thanksgiving breakfast. And like me, I just bring the desserts, so. Okay, I will update you soon. The mom. Thanks for driving.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh, it's raining. Run, run, run. Guys, it's a sign. I talked about this in my video. You would know if you watched it.
I did, actually.
Oh, okay.
I like the red.
I'm kidding. Okay, this is what we're deciding. I'm getting this one for sure. And then this one is 90, this one's 80. Which one do you vote for?
I like this. Sorry, making me spend more money.
I know, the $10.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I'll buy something.
Kira bought something though. How?
I spent $11.
Oh, no, you had a return.
I spent
Right?
$6.
What a good girl. Okay, so update. There's people and they keep looking at me. There's so many people here. I'm stressed out. At PacSun, I met a viewer and she was literally the cutest human ever. So hey, Isabella, thanks for saying hi to me. I should have vlogged you. I don't know I'm dumb, but I don't realize it till like 10 minutes later. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm vlogging today. I forgot. I'm like out of breath and I'm sugared out because I woke up and ate cookies.
I got this.
I know, this is a good gift right here. Guys, body butter is like the best thing ever.
You know these ones are selling the full size for $5.
Five? It smells like Christmas. I don't like the coconut one. I like the strawberry one though. Kira hates strawberry because she's weird.
I don't even like the smell.
Really? Y'all, there's so many people here. I really should have stepped up my game because I look like a hobo. Guys, this is the makeup I wore from Thanksgiving. I passed out at like 2 last night. I slept for like 5 hours and then I woke up and I went shopping. Don't you love this angle? This is the angle when I'm trying to be like slick, but I'm not. We're at Abercrombie now. It smells like an Asian house in here. I kind of like this.
Oh my, like
What? I love Christmas season at the mall. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I feel like you could get these in every color, you know what I'm saying?
oh, I'm definitely getting it.
Just look at the damn eyebrows. Okay, so Kira's being indecisive and she just told me to flip a 3-way coin. Let's play rock, paper, scissors. And if I win, you're getting blue.
Ready?
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So no blue?
Yeah, big.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay. I'll be light.
Okay, I'll be dark.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang, why do I keep losing?
Maybe I'm just good at it.
Yeah, you just really want that pink shade.
If I wear that every day to school, will people think I'm gross for not washing it? Like, is it that kind of job?
This?
Yeah.
The one I have?
No, like if I...
I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Kira, the one all the way up there, I can get it for you.
Okay.
Oh, Kira, I got it for you. Oh! Wow, editing. Only you would think of that, honestly.
Find anything on it.
Hey guys, I'm so annoying. I keep finding mirrors to vlog in, but this is my Black Friday OOTD, and I'm actually like sweating. Like, wearing this was a bad idea, and this is kind of random, but I feel like every girl I see looks the same. Like, everyone is wearing sweatshirts and like scrunchies or Sherpas. It's just funny, okay? Like, I just wanted to bring it up. Bye. There's so many Asians at the store and they're all like judging me because I'm just like obsessed with myself and I keep vlogging. I look so crusty right now. We're going to Forever 21 now.
What's your favorite store?
Yeah, Kira knows. Too many bags. I keep like whacking people with them.
Oh my god.
Dude, we look crazy.
We look like shopping addicts.
Deals. Okay, from here we look normal. Yeah, that's how you wear it. You look so pretty right now. I'm too late. Okay guys, so we just finished at that was pretty accurate.
Wait, really?
No. Okay, but we're gonna go to my favorite store, Glassy Baby. Okay.
It's a mom store.
And then, yeah, because Kira's nice and she's getting gifts for people.
You got your mom a good gift.
Yeah. But I didn't
For the
vlog
fall.
it. Because my mom watches my videos.
Oh.
I think. I don't know.
This is good lighting.
Not really.
Oh. Okay, I'm not a videographer. Like,
Oh, good lighting. I
oh,
know.
I didn't buy more of these.
Kira, you don't. Oops. Okay, we're not doing that anymore. Oh, so we met another viewer. Her name was Chloe. So thanks for saying hi. Sorry that was freaking awkward, but I love saying hi to y'all. This is awesome. Oh, I remember this one time. You were like, when we were younger and we were shopping together, and you were like, shopping is like so good for you because you're doing math and you're right. Yeah, I was like, eh. Bye. Stop. Hey guys, it's like about 6. Yeah, 10 hours later. So I kind of suck at vlogging. I did really good in the beginning and then I kind of died. Okay, so after the first mall, we went to a smaller mall and then we went to my house and took a little rest stop and then we like dropped off bags and then we went back out and we're at this beautiful place.
So cute.
Yeah. And then we just did a little shopping here, but they had like no deals. It was really lame. We went to Brandy Melville and there was literally no sale and I still bought stuff because I'm dumb. It's okay. So it was a freaking 10 hours of shopping. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Okay. Oh, dang it. It's okay. Wait. Okay, so Kira and I had this talk. So she has these little candle things, right? She has 3. Lord knows why she has 3.
They don't make my car smell good enough. Which is
You just want to be bougie and have more. I was looking at it and it says Macintosh and I was like, Macintosh. I was like, is that the name of an apple or something? And then she was like, yeah. Wait, what did you say?
I was like, no, you're like, does that have anything to do with Apple? Like the company? And then
Yeah.
she didn't know that it was a MacBook, like a Macintosh, a MacBook, like
Okay.
Apple company.
Yeah, but
Oh
okay.
my god.
Okay, but like, I didn't know Macintosh was a type of apple. I have no clue what I thought Macintosh was. I was just like, oh, that's the name of the software. It's just like a random name.
You call yourself a foodie, and you don't even know
Okay,
Apple.
food, apple. I know the basic apples. I know Granny Smith. I know Red Delicious. I know Golden something.
Delicious.
Fuji.
Isn't it golden opal? Or opal apple?
There's I think. Wait, I don't know. What's the green one called?
Granny Smith.
Oh, did I say that?
I can't.
I think I said that. Honeycrisp. If you knew that, comment below. Comment below if you didn't know that to help me feel better. But yeah. Okay, that's it. Bye.
I wouldn't have.
Say
Oh, bye.